Hi, second grade. Thank you for joining me once again. Let's go and practice some more word problems and see how we do. This is just for practice. We're going to be taking a quiz at the end of the week, and I want you to feel confident. Okay? So let's say that I have 2 bags, and each bag can hold 8 marbles and has 8 marbles inside. 8 marbles. How many marbles do I have altogether? 2 bags, 8 marbles. 2 times 8 equals, I have 8 plus 8, 16 marbles altogether. Now, let's say that I want to take those 16 marbles and I want to share them equally between 4 different friends. So not including myself, but just those 4 friends. So I have 16 marbles and I'm splitting them up. So I'm not multiplying anymore. Now I'm dividing. 16 divided by 4 groups, 4 people, equals, well, if you're not sure, remember you can always draw it and solve it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many did each person get? 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. And I did want to show, I know some of you have seen this already, but some of you may not. Let me see if I can get that light off of there, okay? Another way to write 16 divided by 4 is to go like this. 16, and then you make part of a square almost right here. Up and over. You're saying 16, and you're dividing it by 4, and you'll put the answer on top. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay. What if I said that a reusable bag that you take to the grocery store will hold 4 apples? It's a small reusable bag. Okay, so here's a reusable bag, so cute. And you can fit 4 apples in there. Well, how many apples could you get and carry if you had 7 reusable bags? So that's 1 bag can hold 4. What about 7 bags? 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And each of those can hold 4. Okay? So we have 4 times 7 equals, what's 4 times 7? Well, you can draw it and count it out. If you've memorized it, it's 28. Okay. All right. So let's use that same number, 28. And let's say I have 28 apples and I have 5 friends and myself. So that means 6 people altogether, including myself. So 5 friends and myself is 6 people. So I have 28 apples, and I want to divide them equally between me and my 5 friends. So between 6 people. Don't forget to count yourself if you're counting yourself in it. Okay. 28 divided by 6. Well, I've got 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I might have to figure this out. Let's see, I've got 28 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I don't have enough to give everybody another apple. So everybody got 4, and there's a remainder, 1, 2, 3, 4, left over of 4. Okay? And if you want to check your work, you can always go backwards like we do for addition and subtraction. 4 times 6 is 24. 25, 26, 27, 28. And then 4 more would take us back to 28. So we did that one correctly too. Great job. Let me give you another problem. Let's say that Lane is going to come back from her trip and she decides she's going to give everybody in her group a present. That's so nice. Well, there are 6 of you all together, including Lane. She's going to keep a present for herself too. I think that's thoughtful. Always think of yourself. Okay? So she's including herself and her 5 teammates in math. So there's 6 people, and she's going to bring you each a present. And each present inside is going to have 3 cool rocks that she has collected for you. So there are 6 of you, 6 people, and you're each going to get 3 rocks. How many rocks will Lane have to collect? Okay. Solve it for me. Then, after you figure that out, she decides that you guys decide you're going to put all your rocks together. So you've got all the rocks, and you guys decide that you're going to keep half of the rocks for our class and give the other half to Mrs. Cantrell's class. So figure out how many rocks we have all together with this problem. And then I want you to figure out how many rocks are we then going to give to Mrs. Cantrell's class. So this has 2 parts to it. See if you can solve this for me today. And then see if you can come up with your own fun 2-part problem for somebody at home or in your camper, or somebody else if you want to do it for us on Seesaw. Okay? So solve this part first. We have 6 people, 3 rocks each. So how many rocks would that be all together? And then take that number and we're going to split it. That's a clue of what you're going to have to do. Split it into 2 groups. 1 pile will go to Mrs. Cantrell, 1 will stay with us. So my question is, how many are we going to give to Mrs. Cantrell? See if you can solve it. Missing you. Bye.